to thank Lula and also Yeli for being amazing sisters. You know, I believe in soul sisters. When you find angels that you really connect with and vibrate with and jive with and you support. So thank you, Lula, for being such an amazing angel. Also, Yeli, you are really like VIP powered. Like you are just
on fire.
You're on fire. You guys are on fire.
Feed off of each other.
Yes.
That energy, when you vibrate higher, you attract your tribe.
Yes, and it's not even about being like having a bunch of followers or a bunch of people around you. It's about authentic, genuine people. Yeli, you have a heart of gold. Oh my God. And Lula, you are just so genuine and loving and kind. Every time I get a text from you guys, it's like, yay! Not like, oh, not again. You know, I get like excited. So you put so much joy in my heart. Thank you for being in my life. And we're only getting better. 2020 has been amazing. We're shutting it down.
Oh my God, I know.
Woo!